So let's go ahead and set up our project, let's set up our scene, and have everything ready so that we can start making things happen. First thing we want to do, if we're going to be organized about it, then we can go over to our project. Notice there's nothing inside here at the moment. So we need to create some elements so that we can actually use them, and then we'll create some elements inside our hierarchy and work with those. First thing we want to do on the project tab, we're going to either go to create from right here, and we have the option. And again, same thing, if you're inside of this panel, you can also right click and you still have the same options here so that you can get to them. We're going to create a new folder, and the idea usually when you're creating a project in Unity is go ahead and create the highest level of your project. So whatever your project name is, if I'm making a game and it's game A, then my main folder is going to be called Game A. We're going to make one called Project 1. Everything that we do internally for this project will be placed inside of here. So let's go ahead and set up a couple more folders in here. We'll do a folder for this one. Notice if I right click on project, it goes and becomes a child of it. If I right click outside the project, I actually get just a new folder level with it. Okay, so we're going to create a project 1. We'll create a new folder. This new folder, let's go ahead and just make a couple of these. We'll make 4, so we'll just do 1. Now, how do you make a copy of one? You can do Control D. So Control D is duplicate. So when you're thinking hotkeys, it's just Control D, duplicate. So I'm going to create a second one, a third one, and a fourth one. So Control D for each one. If you have it selected, it's going to make a copy of or a duplicate of that one. We're going to go back up to the top. Now notice you can see it moving here. I'm actually using the arrow keys. You can left click with your mouse, or you can use arrow keys, either one to select them. On the new folder, the first one, I'm just going to go up to it, and you can either from here you can either left click twice and it'll just go into like if you space it, it'll go into the renaming. You can also just push F2 on your keyboard and it'll let you rename it. I'm going to call this one materials, and then we'll push F2 again and we'll call this one prefabs. And then we'll do another one called scenes, and one more called scripts. So we have our project 1, and then we have 4 folders in here: materials, prefab, scenes, and scripts. At the moment, this is probably going to be all we need for a very basic game. Folder structure here can become very important and also become very large, the larger you scale a project up. Remember, if for instance you've made your folders and all of a sudden you're seeing folders like this where they're all at the same level, just remember you can left click and drag it onto the project 1. When you drag it onto project 1, it's just going to become parented to it. It's just a hierarchy structure there. So you can left click and drag them, drop them into it. Once we have the project set up, we have our project 1 set up, we've got our materials set up. This is going to be the basic setup for the folder structure on project.